In the video that I had put out last week, I had said that the healing you're waiting for isn't coming from anyone else. And some of you pushed back. Then what was the therapy for? The medication, the energy work? Are you saying that none of it matters? No. I was saying something more precise. And I want to explain it properly because it's the difference between being cured and being healed. And those two are not the same things. Start with your body. The most physical thing there is. You take an antibiotic for an infection. And you may say that the antibiotic has healed you. But it hasn't. What it has done is killed the bacteria causing the infection. That's all that it has done. It cannot close the wound. It cannot regrow tissue. It cannot restore a single cell in your body. But what it does is remove the thing that was in the way. And then your body does the healing. The drug clears the obstacle. Your life force does the repair. Another example. A surgeon does not knit your bone back together. They set it, they line it up, they hold it still. But it is your bone that heals itself. It was always going to be your bone that did it. Sit with that, because honestly, this is just biology. No medicine in existence has ever healed anyone. Not one. Every cure that has ever worked has worked because it clears the way so that your own healing can do what only your body can do. That's the first level. The body cures with help but heals by itself. Now let's go up one level to the mind. A good therapist can bring you to a state of calm. There's a safe room, there is real attention, there are right words. Your nervous system settles, and this is very real. But you have noticed that it doesn't hold. You leave the session feeling much lighter, but by the next week you've snapped back. People think that that means it's failed. It hasn't. What it means is that the calm was being held from the outside. And the moment the outside support was gone, your own system returned to its baseline. Lasting change only comes when your system relearns. When underneath you stop predicting danger and start expecting safety. No one can install that in you. The therapist creates the conditions, but only your mind can do the relearning because it's the only one that is running the predictions and the patterns in the first place. The mind regulates with the help that you receive, but it rebuilds by itself. And now let's move to the deepest level, the level of your energy, your authentic self. When a healer works on you and you feel lifted, lighter. That is very real, true. They've raised you to their frequency and you can feel it. But it isn't your frequency. Step away from their energy and the heaviness returns, because your body has not started generating the strong frequency of its own. That's why the positive effect of the session fades. The shift only happens when your own energy starts to restructure and reorganize. And the reason that no one else can make that happen is simple. The answer lies in your beliefs. No one else can stop it, because no one else is running the internal program. A healer can show you the way, but only you can change the direction. And that is why a cure and a healing are not the same. A cure returns the body to how it was before. Healing is larger. Healing is when the body mends and the meaning mends, and you don't just go back to who you were. You become someone who is different, someone who has rewritten the inner narrative. A cure restores you, but healing changes you.